rolling meadows and jaw-dropping views, tropical forests and stunning waterfalls. These are just some of the things that you will experience during your Bandaje Falls trek. Situated in the Charmadi Ghat section of the Western Ghats, the Bandaje Falls trek is the most beautiful offbeat trek in Karnataka. On this trail, you will find yourself walking through dense Shola forests as well as through open grasslands of the Kudremukh range. You will see some of nature's finest work throughout this 16-kilometer trek. Here's a glimpse of my experience of the Bandaje Monsoon Trek organized by Plan the Unplanned. I woke up to this amazing view from our homestay. After having a breakfast and some warm coffee, we were all set to begin our adventure. We hopped on our tempo traveler and got a lift to the jeep pickup point. On our way, we got a few glimpses of the quaint tea estates. Next came the adrenaline rush from the jeep ride. It set the perfect mood for the trek. The trail starts amidst lush forests where we got behind one another and began our trek. Soon, the forest opened up to one of the most serene sights I've ever seen: the rolling hills of Kudremukh National Park. With rain pouring on us, we kept moving towards our destination. What's so special about this trail? The views. The path is littered with some seriously amazing views of panoramic cliffs, gushing streams, and misty mountains. You can't help yourself from pulling out your camera and pointing it in every direction. Finally, we reached our destination: the breathtaking Bandaje Falls. A sight so surreal, you have to see it yourself to truly appreciate its beauty. Our adventure wasn't over just yet. After a quick lunch break, we took off to Ballala Rayana Durga Fort. Built in the 18th century by the Hoysala kings, the ruins of the fort boasts to be the most unique vantage point in the valley. With that, began our trek back to the homestay. Laughing, falling, and some shenanigans later, we reached our base. The second day of our weekend trip was going to be just as special as the first. We began by filling our stomachs with delicious home-cooked breakfast while admiring the diversity of flora and fauna right at our backyard. Then we visited the Kodige Falls, a less known but a very pretty waterfall. The last stop on our itinerary was the Veeranarayana Swami temple. 13 strangers came together to share an adventure. By the end of the trip, all 13 of us had forged new friendships and created wonderful memories.